foldable phones market is rapidly increasing day by day. People are finding the folding mechanism much more usable than the regular phones. That is why folding phones are increasingly popular. And at the same time, the competition is also increasing. A lot of big players are entering into the folding phone market. However, there are two big players which are still dominating the market, which is Samsung and Huawei. Recently, we have witnessed that Huawei overtook Samsung in the foldable smartphone category, but it seems another big player is also entering the market, which is Apple. And it looks like Apple wants to follow Huawei's footstep in entering this big market. So the question is, how Apple gonna follow Huawei? Well, you see, most foldable phones on the market today follow the inward folding design like the Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 5, but Huawei entered into the folding category by making an outward folding phone, the Huawei Mate X. Because according to the Huawei, the outward folding mechanism is much reliable than the inward folding phone. And now, according to Jeff Pu, an analyst at Haiteng International firm reports that the first Apple iPhone foldable may launch in late 2026. He adds that the device could bring a 7.9-inch display panel as well as a wrap-around foldable design, aka outward folding phone. Jeff mentioned that the Apple iPhone foldable may look similar to the Huawei Mate XS2 when unfolded, which means a single display that covers the front and back of the device when folded and straightens out a flat singular display when opened. Note that the advantage of an outward folding display is there is no need for a cover display. This means no extra weight, thickness or cost. And with the most of the back covered its screen, it's useful for personalization or the main camera selfies. However, the downside of this design is that the foldable display is the most vulnerable element of the device and it's always left exposed. Inward folding designs offer protection for the flexible screen and can also be used folded at 90 degrees or so for a laptop-like experience. But the thing is, it looks like the American tech giant wants to copy Huawei's approach while making its first ever foldable. Other than the folding device, the analysis said that a 20.3-inch foldable MacBook is also on the way and might initiate mass production by the end of 2025. So Apple's foldable phone is also coming and it might look like the Huawei Mate X from the design. And I'm very excited to see Apple's folding phone, at least for now. What do you think about it? Let me know your thoughts on it in the comments section below. And as always, the story continues and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.